Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz Canopy, so 4x4 here. Just give me a second, I've got to put this radio, turn this radio off. Anyway, more importantly, what have we got? We've got a BYD Shark in today. Real special treat, we're gonna get a set of Neway drawers fitted into these. We've been doing a hell of a lot of these, and the reason why is because the quality and the price, Adam, they are absolutely unbeatable. On top of that, we're gonna get a canopy and some sliding windows added to that canopy as well. Other than that, let's get right into it.
See what? AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, TK for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with her nose.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of the canopy and the drawers. We'll start from the outside. Canopy, very, very straightforward. This is the aluminium canopy. I can tell from the sound it makes, mate. I'm the metal whisperer, right? So, rails on top, rated up to 300 kilograms. We've got the new revised sealing on the back to make sure it's as watertight as it can be. You can see the guys have gone ahead and done the water testing already. Let's yank this bad boy open. Yeah. Hit that twice. Boom. Look at that. All right. Neway drawers in, Neway Works drawers in, I should say. This one is the dual sliding model, 100 kilograms loading capacity on both these bad boys, so you can really throw some heavy duty work at them. And then the drawers themselves, 150 kilograms each for a total of 500 kilograms. That's crazy, mate. You can even get your missus in there. And anyway, look, we're not going down that line of question. And her mum, we're not going down that line of questioning, all right? So, very, very straightforward. If you are looking for high quality drawers, installed, fitted, obviously have a look in here, Mr. Cameraman. Out of these lovely, lovely side panels as well, cut to size, of course, to make sure that we fit the entirety of the back of the ute. So, where to get them? ozcanopies.com.au is a place to go if you want to get the drawers, canopy, or anything that you see. We've got the dual sliding windows as well. I completely forgot about those. We'll come around and we'll just sort of show that while we're at it as well. Boom, pop the side open. If you need some any additional air, just open it in from the inside like that. Close. So if you've got a pooch or you need to keep the temperature down, you absolutely can. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.